Hi, welcome to another video. Vegetables are an essential part of a balanced and healthy diet, providing an array of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich vegetables into your daily meals can contribute to overall well-being and support various bodily functions. In this article, we will explore the top 10 healthy vegetables renowned for their nutritional value and numerous health benefits. Spinach is Popeye's favorite vegetable. Spinach tops our list for its exceptional nutrient profile. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, calcium, and potassium. Spinach helps promote healthy vision, strong bones, and a robust immune system. Broccoli is known for its distinct appearance and delightful crunch. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in vitamin C, folate, and dietary fiber. This cruciferous vegetable aids in maintaining a healthy heart and supporting the body's natural detoxification process. This leafy green has gained immense popularity. For good reason. Kale is an excellent source of antioxidants, including beta-carotene and vitamin C, making it a great defender against oxidative stress and inflammation. With their vibrant colors, bell peppers not only add flair to your meals but also provide a significant dose of vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium. These nutrients play a crucial role in skin health, vision, and muscle function. Carrots are synonymous with eye health, and for good reason. Packed with beta-carotene, an antioxidant that converts to vitamin A in the body. Carrots help maintain good vision and support the immune system. Cauliflower's versatility shines in low-carb diets as a replacement for rice or pizza crust. It offers a wealth of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, all of which contribute to a well-rounded diet. Brussels sprouts may have had a bad reputation in the past, but their nutrient density is undeniable. These tiny cabbages are rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, and folate, supporting bone health and a healthy immune system. Asparagus is delicious and nutritious. Asparagus is a natural diuretic that supports healthy digestion and is loaded with folate, vitamins A, C, and K, as well as potassium. Tomatoes is often mistaken for a vegetable. Tomatoes are botanically classified as fruits. Nevertheless, they deserve a spot on this list for their rich lycopene content, which is linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers and heart disease. Sweet potatoes is a root vegetable and excellent source of vitamin A and potassium. Additionally, its natural sweetness makes it a versatile ingredient in both savory and sweet dishes. Incorporating these top 10 nutrient-rich vegetables into your diet can have a profound impact on your health and well-being. Moreover, by making vegetables a core component of your daily eating habits, you can help maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and boost your overall energy levels. The fiber content in these vegetables aids in digestion and keeps you feeling satiated, supporting your journey towards a balanced lifestyle. To fully enjoy the benefits of these nutrient-packed vegetables, consider exploring various cooking methods and culinary combinations. From roasting and grilling to sautéing and steaming, experimenting with different preparation techniques can enhance their flavors and textures. So, head to the farmer's market or your local grocery store, and let these vegetables take center stage on your plate for a healthier, happier you and a greener world. Remember, every small change in your diet can make a significant difference in your health.